welcome back to Style Trails. I hope everyone's doing great, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing how I get this quick clean girl makeup look, and this has become my go-to makeup look for a while now. So now without wasting any time, let's get started. I'm going to start by using the Plum Prime Set Primer, and it just gives you that matte poreless look, and it's really lightweight as well. Next, I'm going in with my all-time favorite Maybelline Age Divine Concealer. It has become my go-to for a while. I'm in the shade Medium, and this is the only base product that I'm going to use. No foundation, nothing. I'm just spraying my powder puff with some setting spray to make it last longer. And these powder puffs are really good. Matlab काफी सस्ते and very useful. I shared them in my previous Amazon beauty haul, and it just makes it so much easier while blending everything. Next, I'm setting my under eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me Compact. Since I'm not using any foundation, my concealer shade is very similar to my foundation shade since I don't really have heavy dark circles. But if you face this issue that your dark circles are really dark, then always make sure that you choose a shade darker with your concealer so it doesn't look ashy or grey. Now my most favorite step, and that's the cream blush. I love it so much कि आजकल मैं सिर्फ blush लगाकर ही बाहर चली जाऊंगी. I'm obsessed with this cream blush by Simply Nam. This is in the shade Salmon Pink, and it just gives you that naturally flushed look, and it just makes you look so very pretty. I'm blending it with a blush brush, but you can use a beauty blender, powder puff, or your fingers as well. Anything just works with this blush. This blush does give you that naturally glow, but I want a little extra, so I'm going in with this Insight highlighter in the shade Mermaid Scale, and guys, can you see that glow? It looks very natural but so glowy at the same time. Now on to eyes. I just want to say that I'm so happy that Amazon has some amazing international beauty brands. I got the Makeup Revolution palette in Forever Allure, and the shades are so pretty, you guys. Matlab just perfect. I'm taking the shade Sweetheart as my transition color to keep it super basic. And next, to add that little bit of shimmer and glow to the look, I'm going in with this gorgeous pink shimmer shade Flaunt as my base color. I'm patting it really lightly with my fingers since I don't want like a lot of shimmer and pigment, and all of the shades are super pigmented. Natural look dikhna chahiye ekdam. After that, taking the same blending brush, and I'm just going to blend everything so there are no harsh shimmer lines. Using the same Sweetheart shade on my lower lash line as well, and that's it. Now for my mascara, I'm using this Mars mascara, and yeah, this is so affordable and water resistant too. It gives your lashes that fuller look, and it is not annoying to remove as a waterproof mascara is. गर्मी में melt नहीं होना है, तो setting everything with this Swiss Beauty setting spray, and this is so important. The spray just settles all of your makeup and looks so good in the end. And the last step is lipstick. I'm using this Swiss Beauty Crayon lipstick in the shade Artist Nude, and I'm just going to outline my lips and spreading the lipstick because I don't want a lot of color, and this lipstick is super pigmented as well. And nowadays, none of my makeup looks are complete without a gloss. So going in with this clear gloss by Swiss Beauty again, and this is it. Absolutely love this look. बहुत natural and easy to achieve look है with just minimal steps and no jhanjat. So this is it for today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. Tell me in the comments, what do you think of this look? And all of the products that I've used in this entire video are linked down below in the description box, so do check it out. And I will see you guys in my next video super soon.